Seller Assistant just came out with a great extension for Amazon sellers. I'll show you it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so it's called Seller Assistant app, and they've got different extensions, right? Seller Assistant, IP Alert, and a VPN that you can get. They do have a free trial as well. If you're interested in this, there's a link in the description. But let's say we were trying to sell an item, right? Like Nike, right? We want to sell Nike and we want to see, can we even sell Nike on Amazon? Because we have a outlet store that sells Nike products for 70% off. So we could literally buy Nike stuff, resell it on Amazon. And this is great for resellers. So if we go and we type in on Amazon, Nike shoes, and we type in Nike shoes on Amazon, we can scroll down, and the extension that Seller Assistant app does is right here. It shows you if you're gated or if you're ungated. If you're ungated, that means you can sell the product, no problem, no worries. You don't have to submit special invoices to Amazon to get approved. So this is a great tool for resellers. It connects to your Seller Central account and literally tells you if there's a warning sign next to it, that means it's high risk. So if you do get it ungated, you'll probably get reported. And then if it has this button, that means it's gated. So you can click on this. And then you can also try to ungate yourself if you wanted, right? Right now, they won't even ungate me. So they're like, you're not even allowed to sell, my bad, right? But what we can do is we can look and see, okay, is there any products that we can resell? And if we scroll down and we look at all the different products, all the Nike, it looks like Nike were completely gated, but we have this tool and we can see, is there any other brands that we could sell? Maybe that are similar to Nike. And we're just scrolling and trying to look at we're just looking at the locks, and we're trying to find one that's unlocked and one that's green. So let's look. So I'm scrolling down and then I see a lot of Nike again. Under Armour, this one's gated too, but Puma is not gated, and you can see over 100 sales in the past month. So it's probably making like 120 times 45, and you don't have to run ads on these types of products because it's already a big name brand. So all you have to do is get them for a great price. So what you can do again is go to these outlet stores. A lot of the times they have 70% off, and we can look at more Puma. So we can type in Puma, and if we're ungated for this, we're probably ungated for a lot of other things. But of course, we can type in on Google Puma outlet store, and we can find an outlet store. Look, Puma clearance, and we can go there and see, okay, what are we approved to sell for? And let's type in Puma. So if I type in Puma on Amazon, I can scroll down and you can see we're pretty much ungated for almost every Puma product. The sweatpants, the shoes. So that means that maybe we should be doubling down on Puma and kill it and make a killing off of this, because we can buy real Puma for a discount at an outlet store. And again, I don't see any tools that do this super quickly, but they also show you this red flag. So if it's unlocked, you just click this button and then you can just click sell yours. And because you're completely unlocked or ungated your Amazon account. If it has this red warning sign, that means it still is high risk. So you need to be selling authentic goods. If it has Amazon right here, that means you are going to be competing against Amazon. So Amazon is winning the buy box. You're going to be competing directly against them. But there's a lot of different Puma items. So you can kind of go through and see if there's ones that Amazon is not competing with. But just, again, this is just an example of a different category, right? There's also, here's one that Amazon isn't competing against. Woman's Better Foam Prowl Slip-On Cross Trainer. And there's so many different colors. So you can kind of just go through these in bulk and see what you could sell and what you don't want. 1,000 bought in the past month. Crazy. These are just socks. And again, you could get them for a really good deal at the Puma outlet store. We also got New Balance. Let's say you wanted to sell Hello Kitty. You found an anime outlet store. Again, you could see, okay, I'm able to 10,000 bought in the past month, and we're ungated for this. right? So instead of just typing the ASIN one at a time, you can just go through quickly and see if you're gated or ungated for any of these products. Ungated, 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 ungated. So again, if we found an outlet anime store and it had Hello Kitty, we're probably set. So again, this is a great tool for resellers. And I just wanted to show you it. They also have other extensions and other bulk tools. So if you wanted to do this in bulk, or you wanted to click this button and do like a profit breakdown while you're in it, right? You could. So it has a lot of different other things in here that can help you. But I think one of the best things is just seeing what categories you're ungated for. We know Puma. I did check New Balance and there's an outlet store for New Balance, right? And then if you find a niche that there's not many competitors in, maybe it's Lego, maybe it's Bandai, then you can double check, find outlet stores, and then double down on those and make a significant amount of money. A lot of these name brand items, you don't have to run ads, and there's already a listing created, so you can just list it and resell it very quickly. Again, there's a link in the description if you wanted to start with a free trial with this, and if you did want a discount, again, in the description, you can go there. But what tools are you using for sourcing your Amazon products right now? Leave some helpful tips for everybody else in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, seeing what products you're approved for, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time on your business instead of working in your business, like analyzing products on a daily basis. Let us do for you the daily business and help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.